Hi, everyone. My name is Brandon. Previously, I was an HVAC technician, but I'm on my way to becoming a Linux system administrator. My name is Brandon. I worked overseas as an overseas contractor, and I just wanted to. The reason why I chose Yellowtail Tech was because it would allow me to get into a career where I can work from home. Because I wanted to transition from being working overseas, always on the go, and being away from family and everything to a career where I could possibly work from home, still be able to sustain myself and still be able to be around family or be able to attend unforeseen circumstances where I don't have to, ask someone to be able to go there, but I could just, take my work with me if I needed to, and just giving me that freedom and time. So Yellowtail puts me in a position to be able to do that and still be able to sustain and be on American soil. Challenges that I faced when I first started was, again, working overseas, the time difference. It might be 3, 4 in the morning, and then having to get up that early to meet the time zone difference of the East Coast, and so that's challenging. But again, I had to, remember what is my why of going through the program and continuing to push forward. And that's what helped me to see the end result instead of looking at it from the beginning and saying, oh, it's too hard, it's too difficult. If you remember that why and you stay focused, you can do it. And it's very rewarding at the end. Because y'all give mock interviews, y'all give an internship, which is key, as you can work in any, you can do any boot camp, but not all of them give you the proper training, the internship, the experience you need. And you got so much support at Yellowtail that's really looking towards you succeeding in the industry. So that was one of the caveats that put Yellowtail Tech on my list above all the other programs out there. Give it a try. Yellowtail Tech promises you, guaranteed. If you don't find it, if you follow all the procedures, then they guarantee you'll get a job. But don't go into it if you're going to second guess yourself, because you got to put in the effort. You got to put in the effort and the time and the energy. If you could do that, then Yellowtail Tech will definitely support and help you out. So I would say go ahead and go with it.